If you don't like spideys or arachnids, then it's probably not the video for you. This time I have a Scorpion 2, similar to the techno spider I did before. Enjoy doing that kit. Should be a little bit quicker now I know what's going on. Similar thing, you've got that Allen key or hex key and a 4mm socket. And there's a nice collection of 4mm sockets after this. This one looks a little bit more involved. So this one, you can ignore that one. It's just showing you how to use the socket and the key. That's all that's for. Yeah, definitely more instructions on this one. Right. Oh my word. I actually had, what did I have as well? I had a couple of other spider types. What else was it? A dragonfly. But I was going to get the dragonfly and a mosquito as well. But I didn't do my ordering quick enough and they sold out. So it seems to be quite popular. Tech Scorpion. Taking a large, yeah, Scorpion. Right, get the bags out. A lot more bags in this one. Okay, ready. We'll try that. Oh, that's really involved, this one. There's number one. Same for this little. Randomly tested 100 people. 10 of them assembled in 60 minutes, yeah, that's what it took me last time, about an hour. 80 people completed it in 90 minutes. 7 people will need to spend nearly 120 minutes. It took 2 people over 120 minutes. It's a pity that one person complete the failure and finally gave up. Guess that didn't. If you have any questions, contact the store owner. I will leave a link in the description. Yeah, got a few parts in this one. This is number 20 on there, there's number 1, right, we'll start with that. I need to get this finished. I got distracted by a couple of sunny days doing a little bit of gardening, and this has got pushed to one side. I did get a couple of bits done off camera, and just a little bit. Hello now.